keep notes of it, and then as it's just going to be the exact same thing on your Math Excel, except you just got different numbers. That's all. This is really for you to just take notes on so that you can use it. So if you've got this on the exam, then it's a good thing. All right, so here we go. Let's see. Started? Good. All right. So it says, suppose you pay only interest on a loan. Will the loan ever be paid off? Why or why not? Caleb? Yep. So the interest is paid, but the loan will never decrease. Okay? Blank loans differ from installment loans in that they are not required to pay off your balance in any set period of time. Credit cards, right. All right, now the next few, we're going to be using the TVM calculator, okay? So when we do that, we've got N, and so you go app, finance, TVM solver. Okay, and then you have these values. PYCY. Okay. And you just have to be sure that you get the right compound, the right periods in. Whether it's compounded yearly or daily or quarterly. Okay. All right, so this one you're making a monthly payment. So what this tells you is that PY and CY are both going to be 12. Okay, so I know this is 12 and this is 12. All right. I got a home mortgage of $506,000. Okay, so that is my present value. And that goes in as a positive because the money came to you. Came to you. The bank gave you $500,000 or $506,000. So that's why we've got the plus on it. So that means the money came to you. All right, when you put your interest in, don't convert. So that's just going to be 3%. Okay, don't convert to a decimal. So a little note there. Do not convert to decimal. You just type it in as you see it. Okay, now the N, you're going to take the number of years, that's Y, and N is going to be 12 payments times 15 years. Okay, let's see. Our future value is 0 because we want to pay off the loan. All right, now what you're trying to find is this. What's the monthly payment going to be? So I'm going to put a little circle by it. That's the one that we do alpha enter on. So that's, now we just drop that stuff in. 12 times 15, 3, 506,000. It doesn't matter what's in there for PMT. I can just skip right over it. Coming back to it. I want the final value to be 0, 12, 12. Okay, and now just go alpha, enter. And there's my amount. Negative 3,494.34. Now you don't input it into MathXL as a negative. Right? It goes. The negative just means it's a payment that you're making. All right. So for number 4, guys, you got to do. It says determine the total payment. So the first thing you got to do is find the monthly payment. Okay, and then once you get that done, then the second thing you're going to do to get the total Okay, so in this particular case, I'm going to take whatever my payment is. I'm paying for 10 years, and I'm making, monthly payments. So this is going to be 12 times 10. Okay. All right, so our N is going to be 12 times 10. I, 5. Okay, present value. Okay. So 72,535. Okay, payment, that's what we want to figure out. Okay, payment, future value, 0 because we want to pay it off. PY, CY, 12. Okay. Five. Alpha. Enter. Okay, then I'm going to take that amount. That should be 35 when we round it. Okay. So I go, let's see, second quit, clear it. And now 769.35 times 12 times 10. 92,322, which is going to be this one because I rounded my answer. Okay, that's why mine is a little off. Okay, 769.34 times 12 times 10. Yep. All right. So this one says determine how much of the total loan payment towards the principal and how much applies to interest of a loan. Okay, so this one you got to figure out what this is. The total loan payment. Okay, so you have to first find the PMT. Okay, so let's see. First, I'll do it right down here. Okay, 17 years. So 12 months times 17 years. Interest, 6. PV, 2, 2, 4, 5, 8. Okay, PMT, we don't know. So let's see. Twelve times 17. 6. 2, 2, 4, 5, 8. Alpha. Okay. The longer the decimal you use, the more accurate your answer will be. So I'm going to use a little bit longer decimal this time. Okay, second. Mm-hmm. Times 12 times 17. Ooh. 0.86. 877 times 12 times 17. 35877. Now I'm going to round this. 2, 3. Okay, now to get the amount of interest, okay, take your total payment, which was this, and subtract how much you borrowed. So I borrowed 22. So I'm just going to take that and take away 22, 4, 5, 8. And that's the amount of interest you pay. Okay. And I'll Xerox or post this. All right. All right. Now these next one, guys, with the credit cards, you do just like the loan. Okay. So you got a $3,200 balance. So we got N I P V P M T F V P I C Y. All right, you got a credit card. Your balance is $3,200, just like if it was a loan. All right, you want to pay it off in 2 years, and you're going to be making monthly payments. Okay, so this right here tells you that PY is 12. And I want to pay it off in 12 years, so 12 times 2. Okay, we want to find out how much we pay to get out of debt. We want the future value to be 0 because we want to pay off the credit card. Okay, 12 times 2. 18. So for me, 159. So I know right now it's going to be 8. Okay, but just to be sure, I'm going to do my total payment. Times 12 times 2. Times 12 times 2. Uh-oh, something's not right. Let's see, what did I do? Clear. Oh, I did 12 times 12. Okay, let's try that again. 159, 76 times 12 times 2. There we go. equals 383424. All right, choose the best answer to the following. Explain your reasoning with one or more complete sentences. If you make a monthly payment of $1,000 on a 10-year loan, what will your total payments over the life of the year be, of the loan? So we've been doing that. Total equals your payment times 12 months times the number of years. Okay, so that's 1,000 times 12 times 10. Okay, so we're looking for 120. Oh, there's two answers with 120,000 in them. All right, so the first one says the total payments over the life of the loan is 120,000. You multiply 1,000 per month by 12 months by 10 years. Okay, that sounds right. This one down here, the total payments over the life of the loan is 120,000. The borrower paid 1,024 times a year. Okay, this is false. So just be careful. Make sure you read the whole answer so you don't automatically pick one that you see 120,000 in. Okay. All right, number 8. Choose the best answer of the following. Explain your reasoning with one or more complete answers. What does a loan of $500,000 that carries a 2-point origination fee require as an advance payment? All right, so to do a point, guys, okay, 1 point, write this down, 1 point equals 1% of the loan. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I want 2 points. Okay, so I'm going to do 2 points times 1% times 500,000. And that's the origination fee. Okay, that'd be $10,000. Okay, now you just got to be sure you write, let's see, there's 2 of them that have 10,000 in them. So D and E. All right, so the advance payment, 10,000. Each point is 1% of the loan. So the advance payment is 2% of 500,000. Yep, that's correct. Because the other one says the advance payment is 20% of 500,000. That's not true. So my answer is D. All right, now what you're doing on this is different. So when we, let's see, it's 5, what, on this page here. What's the next one? mine goes from 5 to 9. I think I lost the page. What's that? 5, 6, 7. Oh, never mind. I'm confused. All right. Now this one here, it says find the savings plan balance after 5 years. So what you're finding, guys, is the future value now. So that's going to be blank on your TVM. So let's see. App finance. Okay. All right, so let's see. We're making monthly payments. So PY and CY are 12. Okay, future value is what we want, so nothing goes there. Payments are going to be negative 290. That negative means the money's moving away from your wallet. Okay, let's see. PV is 0 because you're starting. That's what your starting balance is 0. And then let's see. This is going to be 12 times 5. There it is. Okay. So let's see. 12 times 5. 0. Whoop. I forgot my interest. Interest is 3. Squeeze it in there. Okay. PV 0. Payments negative 290. Don't know that. 12, 12. Second, alpha, enter. So I don't end up with 18,000. All right, last one. You want to create a college fund for your baby. If you get an APR of 4% with monthly compounding, so there's monthly. So PY, CY 12. Okay, you want to have a fund of 150,000. That's the future value. Okay, how much should you deposit monthly? So this is your payment. So we want to find the payment on this one. Right? So N I PV PMT FV PY CY. Okay. So let's see, we got 19 years, and we're going to be paying on it every month. Okay, 4%. Okay, you're starting a fund. You don't have any money in it. Okay, this is what we're trying to find. Okay, we want to end up with this. 12, 12. It's 19. Okay, and now alpha. Here we go. Okay, that's first part of your final. Now, guys.